Hi, and welcome to my channel Arabic Lingo, where we learn Egyptian Arabic today. Egyptian Arabic is the most common type of Arabic that is spoken. Today, we're going to talk about good morning. Good morning is defined as a polite greeting or a farewell that you say to someone in the early hours of the day. Good morning is an example for something you say to someone when you see him for the first time, for example, at 9 a.m. So, how to pronounce good morning as Egyptian Arabic? صباح الخير. صباح الخير. صباح الخير. I hope this video teaches you something for how to pronounce Egyptian Arabic. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.